You bought a boat to enjoy the sea, not to spend your days dealing with logistics. Call the marina, no answer. Message again, wait. Search for a mechanic in Facebook groups. Get 3 completely different recommendations. Avionics, windy, funny crew, Navally for marinas, what's up for everything else. Almost 10 different apps, and you still haven't even left the harbor. And then there are people who just want to experience the sea for the first time. They don't know who to contact. They don't even know where to start. They want the same thing you do, to simply get out on the water. So we built one app for all of it. Plan your road, then instantly book a marina, find a mechanic, manage everything in one place. And if you have empty spots on board, you can open them up. People find your trip and come along, like BlaBlaCar, but for the sea. Someone finds a travel companion. Someone steps on the boat for the first time in their life. Need a mechanic? Here. Need to order a provision? Here. Need to reserve a marina in advance? Also here. Everything that used to live across 5 different apps and 3 different chats finally connected. Less calling, less waiting for replies, more time for reason you bought the boat in the first place. A boat shouldn't feel like a second job. It should feel like freedom. The app is already live. We're launching on Indiegogo and looking for the first 10,000 people to join the community. Early access, reduced platform fees, exclusive lifetime badges inside the app, and the chance to shape the product from the very beginning. These conditions won't be available again. The Indiegogo link is below. Come aboard.